we're making steak peri peri. Now, I marinate the skirt steak in a bright sauce of roasted Fresno chilies and bell peppers with vinegar and lime, then grill the meat, slice it up, and then serve it alongside some more peri peri sauce. And I got so many things to do. I'm getting some garlic ready because I've got to put it in some dressing, and it's all over the board. But the key to this peri peri sauce are these Fresno chilies. Now, there's a lot of different types of red chilies that are out there. Watch out, because you can get a couple of these little smokers right here, and one of these is like 4 of these. So don't let someone bring them home and go, oh, I got the peppers you needed. You're gonna blow everybody out of the water, although I do like those. So we got the peppers, the Fresno chilies, a red bell pepper. So just a little bit of oil into the oven. Could also do it over an open flame, but I think I get a better yield out of this. So, looking in there, fire looks good. In we go. Okay, there we go. Smash garlic into this. Why do I smash the garlic? If I were to put that really fine cut garlic into this, it's gonna burn up. It's gonna make these little bitter nuggets, and the onion's not even gonna be ready to go. Yes, this is not toothpaste, it is tomato paste that I am adding to some onions and garlic, and this is all coming together for a fantastic peri peri sauce that, oh, wait till you try it. Going to marinate a skirt steak and then be a dipping sauce later, but I don't like the tomato paste, that part, so I'm just gonna cook it out here a little bit in these onions and a little bit of garlic. So we'll cook this down. Got some wild rice going there for a fantastic salad I'll tell you about in a little bit. Let that finish cooking. Now let's talk about the peppers. Now the peppers are the key part to this. Let's look at this. Fresno chilies, red bell pepper, roasted, a little bit of olive oil, and this is smoking hot. So what I want to do is get these out. These things are just cranking hot, and they're going to add so much flavor. Now let me get a knife I can work with here. But tell me, those are gorgeous, especially in the wood-fired oven. You get a little bit of that smoky flavor. And I think that the color really matters on this. So if you don't have the red Fresnos, you get some type of a red pepper in there just so you get this look, because that's part of the idea with the peri peri, okay? So we'll drop this. Look at that multitasking. In with the peppers. The hot ones. Now we'll get downtown. We cooked out the tomato paste with the garlic and the onions. Some smoked paprika. There we go. In my style, I'm gonna add a little bit of heat to this and a little vinegar. Red chili flake. Let's get some white vinegar. There we go. Okay, some lime juice, of course. Now, I'm not gonna use all of this for the marinade. I'm gonna reserve some of it for a sauce. There we go. Salt and pepper. I think I got everybody in the pool. Okay. Now, key here. Give that a little pulse. Then grab some extra virgin olive oil and a little stream. That really work it. You have a blender also, it's a great place to do this. See it starting to tighten up a little bit. A quick taste, I think it's gonna be spicy. Look at that, Ooh. Wow, that's hot. It's really hot. Oh, but so good, especially when you get the vinegar coming in there. It's not like Mexican food hot. It's kind of like Venezuela. It's got this round, oh, it's good. The roasted hot, that's the key. All right, that's ready to go. Actually, let me just get this going right now. I got my steak sitting here. Let me trade this out. Go over here, grab a bowl, grab 2 of them actually. 1 for dipping sauce. Here we go with that. Okay, we'll hold some of this for dipping sauce for later. The other part of this, resealable bag, okay? Beautiful piece of skirt steak here. I talked about how much I love it. Look at that, awesome. Okay, we'll throw that in there. But I'm telling you, you cut it the right way, you treat it with respect, you grill it hot and fast, serve it medium rare, it's gonna be your friend. Throw that on top. That and that. Okay, I'm gonna be able to let this marinate just sitting on the counter because it's gonna go fast. You gotta think about that vinegar and those chilies and everything working in there. Gonna work that together. It is a little bit hot, but not to worry about that. This was super cold, and we're gonna be throwing this on the grill shortly. Okay, but now the star of this has been this skirt steak. This is what we've been talking about the whole time with all the fantastic flavor. So we made the Peri Peri sauce with the roasted peppers, the fresno and the red bell, little vinegar, chili flake. Let me make sure I got some high heat over here. There we go. Shake off a little bit of the marinade. I reserved some of the marinade to be a dipping sauce, and this is spicy. A little lime juice in there, white vinegar, down on the grill. Look at that. Now the key to cooking the skirt steak, hot and fast, put a nice crust on it. Let's see this right here. See that nice little mark? Now I'm gonna take it to a different side of the grill so I get a new hot spot for the grill. Pull that over there. Because if you turn it over in the same spot, it's reduced the temperature there just a little bit. Okay, that's that. Now, let this rest for a second. Now I'll bring it over and slice it. Talk about an awesome sandwich this would be. There we go, I'll grab this one. Now, the grain of this is running like this, so I'm gonna cut it on the bias against the grain. You can see that beautiful red color coming out of that from the smoked paprika that was in there. Nice and thin when I slice it. Pick it up onto the plate. Get a little bit of the sauce right on top. And look at this. Look at this tender, juicy, medium rare, tons of flavor.